Over the last several years, a collaboration of managers and scientists based throughout Eastern Oregon, known as the SAGE Share Partnership, developed a threat-based assessment model for riparian ecosystems. Our effort demystifies the complexities of riparian ecosystems using a protocol that is approachable and useful in application for both riparian experts and non-experts alike. We intend this guide to provide a structured format for individuals with different backgrounds and values to communicate more effectively about riparian systems. Our hope is that this guide itself will be a living concept that can be updated periodically to reflect the dynamic management challenges within riparian ecosystems.